Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to say a massive thank you for coming across this review of the 7-figure launch system. My name is James Fawcett. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer, and I am really looking forward to being able to share with you this really cool product that just came out by a bloke called Michael Cheney. He's a 7-figure marketer in his own right. The guy has literally gone from zero to hero, and he's sharing basically it's pretty much his $1 million business for $10. And this is something that I fully recommend people jumping onto, because when you can tap into these type of resources, it really can, change the dynamic on how you look at your business and then take the next step to success. So, further ado, after that hiccup. So for this product today, guys, for $9.95, if you jump through my affiliate link, I'm going to give you a ton of bonuses, which has helped me generate 7 figures, and that can really help you start leveraging. So literally, when you pick these bonuses up to today for $9.95, when you get this product, I fully recommend you guys. You won't need to buy anything for a while at all. So if you feel like you're consistently buying products, we're going to give you literally a ton of information to leverage on, and you won't need to buy anything for a while. All right, guys. So when you click on the link down below and you want to secure my bonus package, guys, there's a link below this video in the description here on YouTube. If you want to jump below, this will take you to this page. Alright, so this is where what the bonuses I'm giving out. For $9.95, you're going to get 16 products plus all the upgrades on each product. Alright, that's over $16,000 worth of value right there. And these products here alone are products that have exposed how I've been able to generate 7 figures in the last 24 months. I've done $1.7 million in affiliate commissions alone within the last 24 months. And then on top of that, I've done $2 million in product sales. With these products, I've done over 2 million. All right, so we literally share you everything that you need to be able to jump into. Affiliate one is my latest one. It's done over $100,000 right now in revenue, and it's really still cranking along really well. People are really enjoying the content, and you guys are going to get all the upgrades. You're going to get the fast cash automators. You're going to get the done for you package. You're going to get access to my VIP inner circle. You're going to all for $9.95. Okay, you're going to get the Phoenix 2.0 checkmate software, Phoenix Reloaded, Breakout 2.0, Endgame. So you're going to get all this, guys, for $9.95. Now there are upgrades available as well. Now the first one's called the Launch Accelerator. So when you jump into the system here, guys, this is what you're getting for $9.95 in the system. And then you'll get the opportunity to unlock these if you haven't bought the upgrades when you log in. But with this, you're going to get all this, okay? Use the money map, extract the maximum money, accelerate the products, copy a tech stack, unlock the secret reach. These are all video tutorials that you guys will be able to tap into. And then on top of that, here are the bonuses. All right, launch profit calculator, fast profits Rolodex, excuse me, fast selling framework, 5-day fast start guide, a whole bunch of stuff. And then on top of that, with the upgrades, these are the 3 upgrades here. There's only 3 upgrades, guys. There's no product. This is not a product where it has 5,000 upgrades that you feel like you need to jump onto. They only have 3 upgrades. And the cool thing about this one here, it's $197 one time. But when you try and exit the page as well after you purchase this, it's going to give you an option for a 2-part payment. So if you prefer to do $98.50 today, you can, and then you'll be able to pay the rest off in 30 days. All right, guys. That option there, and these 2 here are $97 a pop. Okay, you get the copy paste profits. So don't let the amount here fool you. You're actually getting a whole bunch of content that and assets to really start leveraging as well. And then on top of that, you got the traffic automator as well. So guys, when you buy any of these upgrades, like any one, it doesn't have to be singled out, you're going to get also access to my profit pad new software and all the upgrades. And I'm not publicly launching this. This is not for public availability. This is for my customers only. The only way that you're going to be able to get ProfitPad is through me. All right. When you pick up any of these upgrades today, you're going to get access to ProfitPad plus all the upgrades. You're going to get the unlimited version. You're going to get the done for you version. You're going to get agency. You're going to get the unlimited traffic. And on top of that, you're going to be able to resell it as your own as well. Now, when I'm going to show you ProfitPad really quickly here, guys. This is some of the traffic sources you're going to be able to flood your products that you're going to learn from the 7-figure affiliate system, 7-figure launch system, I'm sorry. You're going to be able to flood it with free traffic from over 100 sources. You're going to get all these done for you page templates ready to go. You're going to get, this is a page builder that you can use for yourself. Pre-made templates. You've got the Facebook posting, you've got the Instagram posting, you've got autopilot Instagram, you've got Interest Explorer, auto content, auto blogging, where you can leverage other people's content and be able to create blogs using this system. Okay, keyword research. You can pull content down from other websites, and you can literally leverage that content as your own, which is pretty cool. So with this, you're going to be able to really leverage stuff. Plus, on top of that, guys, this is where the real kicker comes in. You're going to get 10,000 potential buyers sent to your offers. All right. So when you're ready to go, there's going to be a special link inside this bonus section that you can contact me, and you can send me your link, and I'll send 10,000 potential buyers to your offer. All right. This is a new hack that I've been able to do within the last few months, and it's working like wildfire. It's boosted my sales. It's really been able to really help me leverage more. And when you tap into this, guys, it's going to be huge. So on top of that, it's going to be over 200 plus cash converting swipes, cash automators that turn Facebook visitors into high ticket buyers. This was a really good one here. This is going to really help leverage with your products when you're promoting the stuff inside. A huge dump for you commission generator, access to all my cash converting digital assets. Now, with the coolest thing about one of the upgrades, which is this one here, Michael actually gives you access to promote his high ticket items as well. Now, Michael usually charges over $6,000 for the educational content, and also on top of that, he gives you the chance to promote that offer as well. But what Michael's actually doing today, you can actually promote that offer without having to pay $6,000. And that's like, being able to do that, that's what makes a difference. When you take advantage of something like this, this can make a true difference when you start generating those 3K sales and profits. Now, especially with the automated profit program as well, he's going to show you how to do all that. Being able to, automate everything, start automating the commissions, and you're also going to be able to tap into also with my stuff, the automations with like the profit automators and stuff like that. You're going to also learn how to do that as well. All right, guys. So literally, like I said, the link below is going to take you to this page. Click here to get click here. You just simply have to go to this page. All right, click here. All right, and then pull the trigger on the sale. All right, $10, $10 to get all those bonuses. Except and then if you pick up any of the upgrades, this is going to, when you purchase, it's going to take you directly to the 197 upgrade. If you pick that up, you're going to get ProfitPad. You're going to get all the upgrades on ProfitPad. You're going to be able to resell it on your own. You're going to tap into this new traffic loophole that we've been able to create. You're going to get 10,000 buyers, potential buyers, sent to your offer, and it's been able to generate me sales like crazy. Like, it's just amazing right now. So guys, if you jump into that, you'll be golden. So guys, the time is limited on these bonuses. It will end tomorrow on August 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. If you do not get it by then and you buy it after, you're not going to be access the bonuses. I've got a special download link that's going to cut off, so you do have to buy it beforehand and download the bonuses as well. Now, the best thing about what Michael's thing. There's no risk. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want a refund, you can keep the bonuses. It doesn't worry me at all. It's really all up to you. And I look forward to you guys jumping on to 7-figure launch system. And I'll catch you inside, guys. Cheers.